Hi, Daryl here from FastTrackPiano.com, and we're continuing our series of Boogie Woogie. This is number 3. The first Boogie Woogie we just learnt the basic pattern in the left hand, and then we did the 12 bar pattern in the left hand in Boogie Woogie number 2. Today, number 3, we're going to introduce the right hand playing some stuff. Yeah, okay. Alright, well, we're not going to do anything as intricate as that. We'll do something pretty simple. Now, here's your hand, right hand. Now, we're going to use these two fingers. Finger number 2 and 3. There they are. Boom, boom, boom. And we're going to bring them down here. And this note here, to the left-hand side of the two black notes, is middle C. And we're going to put our 1, 2, 3, third finger on middle C. And there it was. Now we're going to put our second finger on the black note here. That note is called B flat. Why? That's B. That's B flat. Okay, so we're going to go C, then B flat with our second finger. Then we're going to come back to C. How about that? Rock and roll. That's it. Just practice that a few times. Third finger on middle C, second finger on B flat, then third finger on middle C again. Okay, now there's only 3 notes there, but in our left hand, when we play the left hand pattern, there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how do we do 3 notes against 4? Well, this is what we're going to do. On the first note C, we're going to do nothing. Nothing! And we'll play our first note on this note here. Next note on there and there. So our 3 notes in our right hand will be played on these 3 guys. Now, if we take the camera back a little bit, we might be able to see how we're going to do that. So nothing on the first note. I'll slow down a bit. Nothing. Practice along. Feel good about that. Okay, so whenever we're playing the pattern down the bottom here with the C, with our little finger, we're doing C, B flat, C. Now what happens when we come up here to F? Well, we do the same thing, but not C, B flat, C. It's F, E flat, F. So C, D, E, F. E flat, F. So here is the second position. Okay, so we do 2 of those. Now there is the third position. In the left hand we go up to G. So what happens in the right hand when we do this third position? Well, we play a G. And this time we don't play a black note, we play white note F. G, F, G. You only get to do 1 of those. Here it is again. So the hard part is playing this position. Then we go down to F. Yeah. And then we go back to C, C. So going from there to there to there is going to be the tricky bit. Now I'll play through the whole thing. Here we go. So position 1 is here, little finger on C in the left hand, third finger on middle C in the right. Nothing on the first note. We do 4 of these. That's 2. That's 3. Now we've got to go up to F. So up to F, F, there we go. And we do 2 of these. Now we go back to C, down here again, C and C, and we do 2. That's a 1. Now here we go, here's the hard bit. We go up to G, G, and we only do 1. Down to F. Back to C for 2. Now you need to practice that a lot. Now the big thing is to be able to go from one position to the next without having a picnic. Yes, you've got to get straight there. That's the hard bit. Now I'm going to play through the whole thing with no picnics in between, jumping straight up. Let's give it a go. Two more. Last one. Here we go. Up to F. Can you do it? Yeah, baby. Now back down to C. Look out. Yes. Here comes the hard bit. Up to G. And back home. For 2. Now you practice that so you can get it good. It should be up about this tempo. Oh yeah. Boogie Woogie lesson number 3. Stay tuned for number 4.